Click on the link below to get price. The Bernette B79 sewing and embroidery machine offers a combination of functionality and user-friendly design, making it suitable for a variety of sewing and embroidery projects. This versatile machine features a touchscreen interface, which provides an intuitive way to navigate its myriad functions. At first glance, the Bernette B79 showcases a modern aesthetic, reflecting its advanced capabilities. The machine is equipped with an 8-piece feet set, allowing users to explore different sewing techniques with ease. This comprehensive set includes feet for tasks such as zipper insertion, buttonhole creation, and quilting, catering to both beginners and experienced sewists. One of the standout features of the Bernette B79 is its large touchscreen display, which measures 5 inches. This screen not only enhances usability but also allows users to select and customize their sewing patterns with a simple touch. The interface is designed for clarity, making it straightforward to access stitch settings, embroidery designs, and other features. The machine offers over 500 built-in stitches, which include decorative, utility, and quilting stitches, providing ample options for creative expression. The machine supports a range of embroidery designs as well, with an expansive library of over 200 built-in embroidery motifs. Users can also import their own designs via USB, expanding the creative possibilities even further. The Bernette B79 features a generous embroidery area, allowing for larger projects without requiring constant repositioning. In terms of performance, the Bernette B79 operates smoothly and quietly. It accommodates a variety of fabric types, from lightweight silks to heavy denim, making it versatile for different sewing applications. The automatic thread cutter is another practical feature, streamlining the sewing process and saving time during projects. Using the Bernette B79 is a straightforward experience, owing to its thoughtful design and clear instructions. Whether you are making garments, home decor, or intricate embroidery designs, this machine is built to handle a wide array of sewing tasks with efficiency. In conclusion, the Bernette B79 sewing and embroidery machine emerges as a well-rounded option for those seeking a machine that blends functionality with user-friendly features. Its touchscreen interface, extensive stitch and embroidery libraries, and included feet set make it a valuable addition to any sewing enthusiast's toolkit.